Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to recover deleted message on Messenger. So I will show you the step-by-step process of recovering deleted messages on Messenger. So first of all, you have to go to your Facebook apps. So after opening your Facebook apps, you have to click on three-line option at the top right corner. From here you will get the setting and privacy option. So you have to click on setting and privacy. From here you have to click on settings. You have to scroll down, then you will get the option of download your information. You have to click on here. From here this interface will come. After that you have to delete it all. Okay, then you have to scroll down, then you have to only select the messages option, then you have to click on set the date range. Suppose all of my data I'm selecting. Okay, then you have to set your format. So here HTML is default settings. You have to select the format. You have to select the media quality, high or medium or low. I'm selecting suppose medium quality. Then you have to click on create file. After clicking create file, this option will come. From here, according to file size, it will take time to prepare all data to download. So when it's ready to download, then this option will come. From here, if you click on download, then you can recover all of your deleted data. That's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.